my dear students. Welcome back to online classes. I am Neha Gupta, your math teacher. In previous video, we had completed up to page number 21. So today, we will start with page number 22, review worksheet 1. This is review worksheet 1 at page number 22. Here, we will do revision whatever we have done till now. Okay? So the first question is, write what comes before and after. Means एक नंबर गिवन है, इससे बिफोर और आफ्टर कौन सा नंबर आता है वो हमें लिखना है. So in the A part 36 is given here. So before 36 35 and after 36 37. Now B part 51 is given here. So before 51 50 and after 51 52. Now C part 79 is given here. So before 79 78, after 79 80. D part 90 is given here. Before 90 89 and after 90 91. So like this you have to do it. Now question number 2. Write in the long form, also write the number name. Means जो हमें नंबर दिया गया है यहाँ पर उसे हमें पहले लॉन्ग फॉर्म में लिखना है, फिर उस नंबर का नेम भी लिखना है. So in A part 21 is given here. So for 21 long form is 20 plus 1. 21 की long form क्या होगी? 20 plus 1. And the number name is 21. Now B part 47. The long form of 47 40 plus 7. And the number name is 47. C part 66. So the long form of 66 60 plus 6. And the number name 66. Now D part 98. So the long form of 98 90 plus 8 and the number name is 98. Now question number 3, fill in. A part in 67 the place value of 6 is. तो 67 में 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू हमें निकालनी है. सो 6 कौन से प्लेस पर है? 6 टेंस प्लेस पर है. वंस टेंस प्लेस पर है तो 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू 6 मल्टीप्लाई 10 इक्वल टू 60. So 60 is the answer. And the place value of 7 is 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू 7 वंस प्लेस पर है. So 7 मल्टीप्लाई 1 इक्वल टू 7. So the place value of 7 is 7. Now B part in 93 the place value of 3 is. So 3 वंस प्लेस पर है तो 3 मल्टीप्लाई 1 3 and the place value of 9. So 9 is at 10's place. So the place value of 9 is 9 multiply 10 equal to 90. So the place value of 9 is 90. Now question number 4. Write the smallest and the largest numbers. Here some numbers are given here. We have to write the largest number and the smallest number. So in A part 5 number is given here: 45, 32, 21, 27 and 56. So the smallest number is 21 and the largest number is 56. Similarly in B part 5 numbers given: 72, 84, 93, 67 and 75. So the smallest number is 67 and the largest means सबसे बड़ा number 93. Now question number 5. Write in descending order. यहाँ पे हमें नंबर दिए रहे हैं, इन्हें हमें डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स घटते हुए क्रम में अरेंज करना है. सो फर्स्ट we will write the largest number. So in the given number, largest number is 87. After this 74, then 72, then 68, then 55, then 43 and last 30. 30 is the smallest number. हमें बड़े से छोटे क्रम में लिखना है, अरेंज करना है. Now question number 6. राइट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स हमें इन्हें बढ़ते हुए क्रम में अरेंज करना है. पहले सबसे छोटा, फिर बड़ा, लाइक दिस. सो इन दीज नंबर्स 65 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट, देन 69, 74, 77, 83, 88 and 92. This is the ascending order. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ऐड. ये एडिशन है सिंपल. ए पार्ट 33 प्लस 46. सो हेयर फर्स्ट वी ऐड द वंस प्लेस 3 plus 6 9 and then tens place 3 plus 4 7. So the answer is 79. Now B part 9 plus 75. So first we add the ones place. So 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 14. So here 1 carry. Then 7 plus 1 8. So the answer is 84. Now C part 57 plus 33. So at ones place 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 carry. Then 5 plus 3 8 and 1 carry 9. So the answer will be 90. Now D part 82 plus 17. So here 2 plus 7 9 simple, no carry, and 8 plus 1 9 99. Then E part 65 plus 26. Here at ones place 5 plus 6 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 carry. Then 6 plus 2 8 and 1 9. So the answer is 91. Now F part 77 plus 14. Then 7 plus 4 11. 1 here and 1 carry. Then 7 plus 1 8 and 1 carry 9. So the 91 is the answer. Now question number 8. Subtract. हमें यहाँ subtract करना है. So A part 88 minus 76. So at ones place 8 minus 6 2 and 8 minus 7 1. 12 is the answer. Now B part 46 minus 28. So at ones place 6 minus 8 not possible because 6 is less than 8. So we will make it 16. We will take borrow from 4 and it will become 3. So now we can subtract 16 minus 8 8 and 3 minus 2 1. 18 will be the answer. Now C part 38 minus 19. So here at ones place 8 minus 9 not possible. So we will take borrow from 3. So it will become 18 and it will become 2. So 18 minus 9 9 and 2 minus 1 1. So the 19 is the answer. Now D part 53 minus 34. So at ones place 3 minus 4 not possible, 3 is less than 4, so we will take borrow from 5, it will become 13 and it will become 4. So 13 minus 4 9 and 4 minus 3 1. 19 answer. Now E part 64 minus 45. So at ones place 4 minus 5 not possible, so we will take borrow from 6, it will become 14 and it 5. Then 14 minus 5 9 and 5 minus 4 1. 19 answer. Now F part 99 minus 57, simple, 9 minus 7 2 and 9 minus 5 4. So the answer is 42. Now next page. This is page number 23, 101 to 200. So here is simple counting from 101 to 200. So read it. आपको इसे रीडिंग करनी है, अच्छे से रीडिंग करिए सारे नंबर्स. Okay. Then here you have to write the number 101 to 200. आपको ये प्लेस गिवन है, यहाँ आपको 101 से 200 तक काउंटिंग लिखनी है. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क. यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम हेयर. ये आपकी लिखी हुई है, आप यहाँ से हेल्प लेके आपको यहाँ पर होमवर्क में इसे लिखना है. नाउ राइट द नंबर नेम्स. नंबर इज गिवन हेयर, वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर नेम्स. मीन्स इनकी स्पेलिंग लिखनी है. सो द ए पार्ट 137, it is written here 137. Now B part 125. So you have to write 125. हमें इसकी स्पेलिंग लिखनी है. Now 143. So 143. 159, 159. E part 178. So 178. F part 108 only. So 108. Now G part 134. So write 134. H part 148. So 148. Then J part 161. So write 161. And last 182. 182. Write it properly and writing should be clean and clear. Okay. Now next page. This is page number 24. 201 to 500. Here simple countage here, so read it. Okay. Now question number 1, write 201 to 300. So space is given here. Here you have to write the simple counting from 201 to 300. 201 and 202 is already written here. Then 203, 204, 205. Then like this you have to write all the numbers and last 209 and 300. So this is your homework. You can take help from the book. Okay? Do your homework properly. Till then, take care. Bye bye.